In this video, we will learn how to make Instagram account private. So let's begin. So the process is quite easy and simple. You need to simply go and open up your Instagram app. Here we go. And once the Instagram app is open, before moving on, one thing you need to make sure is that you have a personal account. In case if you have a business account, business accounts are meant to be public and they cannot be set to as private. And even if you want your business account to be private, you need to switch that business account back into a personal account. In most of the cases, accounts are personal, so you don't need to worry if you don't know about the business thing. So once you're here, simply go and tap on this profile icon at the right bottom corner. So if you tap on this, this would open up your profile. So here we go. Now tap on these three lines at the right top corner. Once you tap on this pop-up would appear. Now tap on settings at the top. Here we go. You can see privacy in the list. Tap on privacy. And in privacy at the top, you can see account privacy. So it says private account. Simply go and turn this toggle on. It says switch to private account. Only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who you can message or tag or mention. So switch to private. And now you can review your followers in some of the cases. If you want to remove some of your followers, so you can go to review followers and remove those specific followers. Otherwise you can simply move in as it is. So hope it has helped you in turning and changing your Instagram profile to private on Android or iPhone or any other device. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.